Hey guys, welcome to the help screen where we solve your digital problems, and this is how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Android phone. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your settings. So guys, I'm going to show you three methods in order for you to do this. So guys, the first one is go to your Wi-Fi. So I have here connections, and then from here guys, just toggle your Wi-Fi on and off in order for you to get reconnected again to your Wi-Fi. And guys, if this method doesn't work, go to my second method is go to your settings and update your phone. So guys, if you have a software update, make sure you update your phone to the latest version. And as you can see here, I have a software update. And if you have, just download and install, and it will automatically update your phone. And as you can see, it is now downloading the update. And guys, if this still doesn't work, you will have the third method, which is to restart your phone. I think guys, restarting your phone is the best and effective way in order for you to connect into your Wi-Fi again. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.